Hello viewers, in today's video we will learn how to solve the error and fault 14. So you can see the picture in here, the error number 14. You can see servo drive cleaning is start now. So first video I'll show you in the part 1 there's how to open the servo drive, and the second part now this video I'm just showing you how to clean the servo drive step by step. If your system has lots of dust inside the servo drive, so the servo drive will be the malfunctioning, also they're not working properly. You can see in my finger there's a lot of dust in this circuit. This is the black particle also. If the circuit have the lot of dust inside the panel or inside the circuits, sometimes this one is not working properly, also the circuit will be the malfunctioning. So if in your plant have the lots of dust inside the servo drive, you must have to clean, otherwise it's not working properly. So that's why I'm just showing you how to clean it and how to drying it, and then how to solve the problem error 8 and error 14. So I just when I found fault number 8 and fault number 14, so that's why I just open it for cleaning purpose, and then after found I just lots of dust inside the panel. After that I just clean it in the very well conditions and then drying it perfectly and then fixing it. After that the problem will be solved. So that's why I'm just sharing with you. Or in your plant have the similar problem, so you must have to apply the cleaning, how to clean the servo drive. You can see I'm just cleaning the circuit. I'm using the alcohol, 100% alcohol, for cleaning the circuit properly. I'm spraying here is mentioned that 70%, but actually it's the 100%. 100% IPA solutions. I need to apply all the circuit for the cleaning purpose. You can see there's lots of dust. First of all, you have to wait all the spraying all the panel, all the circuit. After that, you have to apply the toothbrush for the cleaning purpose. You can see you have to clean and apply the spray solutions for the IPA solution properly for each and every parts in your PCB layout circuit. I'm applying the IPA solution and then using the toothbrush for the cleaning purpose. You can see I'm applying the toothbrush. You have to rub it very carefully and technically, otherwise some parts of leg will be removed from the circuit. So you can see I'm applying the IPA solution to all the circuit and applying the toothbrush for cleaning purpose. Sometimes there's particle and the black particle, there is a lot of parts, electronic parts, so that's why the leg to leg will be short. So if you are applying the IPA solution using the toothbrush for cleaning purpose, then the little bit short will be removed and then servo drive working will be well. That's why you can use this. So I got the solution from this like this. After solution, cleaning the circuit, I mentioned you the before on the first video. Now just they're trying to drying full circuit. You can see I'm using the hot air blower for the cleaning purpose. I am using the hot air blower for cleaning purpose. You have to use it similar like the hot air blower. Otherwise, the circuit will be the moisture, gain the moisture, and then if you before fully drying, then if you will be set in the circuit or the full setting on the servo drive, then it will be after giving the power, then it will be short circuit or the damage the servo drive. So before you set, you have to drying it perfectly from the hot air blower. So first video I am showing you from the another servo drive I'll show you the cleaning purpose. This servo drive is the another drive. So I have lost lots of servo drive in my plan. So that's why I'm giving you the similar video and the part by part, step by step. So first one problem was the 08 alarm, but this one another servo drive. There is have the 08 alarm, also the 14 nong alarm. So that's why when I just opened the circuit, I just found inside the panel, inside the servo drive, the lots of dust. That's why I'm just showing you and giving you the video for cleaning purpose, for helpful purpose. So if your plan have similar, the dust, how we clean it, how we drying it. So that's why I'm just share with you the video. Now the reassembling start. So now the running. After reassembling start, then now running. So problem will be solved. 08 issue will be solved, and the 14 node alarm also will be solved. Now running, fully running. After drying, you can see this is very well running in my system now. After fully cleaning and drying. So if you are first in my channel, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please share with your friend or other who are maintaining this circuit or the similar like of the servo drive. So you cannot search a lot of video in the YouTube. So thank you so much for listening to me here today, and thank you.